Yeah, so welcome back from that break. I know say some people go dey shocked and shocked. Say what be the thing where they sup right about now? What did they happen? Well, as a matter be you go there across the bridge. Once in a while,
there's no more sorrow across the bridge. Oh, there's no more sorrow across the bridge. Oh, there's no more pain.
There's sunshine shine.
Oh, across the river, and you will never be unhappy. Again. That's all. I love it. I love it.
I am lost. Please, what is going on?
I say that's the.
You will not know.
Me, Katima, is a spiritual something.
It's a spiritual something.
I don't lost.
If you don't
Flesh
know, you
and
don't
blood
know.
did not reveal it to you.
When I enter studio for this one.
Why not hear my headphones?
You don't shook am for the right place.
With me your soul, with your soul. You see what it is? Took a boot of here. Please.
This man cannot make heaven.
It's Wednesday.
No, my ticket to heaven is right here.
It's sweet in the middle now, so certainly you need to put her for the right place.
Don't put on yourself.
I don't they put and then they.
Now you go use your
No, that one the weakest strength. Now when you help put her in this.
Right, come join us.
Please, I know they do that kind of thing. Please.
What be that kind of thing?
They say make you
one man to one woman.
You start talking, you don't want to finish them.
Now headphone.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Becca, wait, hold on. In all of them, where you they talk go inside
I
now?
beg get that.
Not be helpful. Say me you choose for the right
I
place.
say me come chook for the right hole.
Daddy, now you they teach me all these bad things. Now you the bad
See me see trouble teach you.
I said, you see R&B. I know they hear my headphones. Now I say, Becca, or Yakomo, help me chook this thing for the right hole.
place.
No,
now she can say,
they
okay.
help people shook. You go use by your hand to shook.
No, now when the person see
if as I sit down here now,
your hand not reach there.
Not reach there.
And you know say you not tall like that, so your hand they limited to where people.
Papa.
Don't worry, you don't die before.
These are an idiot. Also, pant. You know those pants wait here when they split for wire.
Oh my God!
If you notice now, we do a breakdown. The two brief people that they opposite us. We that are.
You understand me? Oh, flesh and blood did not reveal this thing to you. Oh my God!
The fresh rituals.
What for you?
When we say Nakai in our 4 months.
Short people don't take offense. They are quick to vex. Now because they're short now, they quick take offense.
It's true.
Me I know where at all.
You said achoo.
Wanna help me? Anyway, I beg you don't see the video of the pastor wife when they coaching for the congregation. Say the pastor tell them say may they donate money. Made to celebrate her birthday. Say no one. Now she coaching. When me as if I feel briefly play and make you. Like he said, God punish them.
No,
Becca,
I don't do something like this before.
Hold on, Becca. I send that to you now, Becca.
Now
Nigeria here.
Nigeria now. Yes. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised.
Hold on.
This kind.
Wait, make I see if I feel play.
Oh yeah, play him.
That's not a business now.
Hold on.
Let's put money together. Even my birthday, some of you refuse to contribute. May God punish you.
Hey!
Oh, wow. Wicked.
Who they laugh for this?
You don't have.
It's not like you don't have.
Here, I preach. Some of you come to my office, you disturb me with prayers and everything. Give money for us to celebrate Pastor Cecilia. It's not like I'm coming to give them money. It's for the food that you are coming to eat yourself.
Pastor Cecilia, fear God.
See.
The top situation not completely.
Waiting a lot of people need to understand, and I will talk about on top this show over and over again.
Don't give power to these people.
Don't give power to these people.
This that's a result of the
Now,
fact that you don't to give them power. They feel like God.
They feel like God. You are now you be God for yourself.
But you hear the reason why the woman talk. The woman talks every day. They come to serve and make she pray for
Now we dey talk now.
Why you be minister? Why you be pastor?
Yes.
Pray for me.
I don't talk and say church na business these days. We fit carry
Yes, now every
carry 3 people like this. Becca mean they do say we want to do church limited. Oh, you can't carry Aro and B as pastor. Aro and B will pay our salary every month.
Take it or leave it.
So?
I thought I'm here.
Nah.
So Naija FM 102.7.
Yes.
When you knock your head for ground. Every pastor na CEO.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Before.
It's a full-time business.
Give this man
Full-time
full-time business.
business.
To talk
Full-time
this way she dey
business.
talk so.
Nana, why?
You dey cause
How
people
can
say
you even use God to punish your congregation?
Dana why as then they come out na their wife or their pikin.
They always take over. Yes,
Na
now.
company
I say
business.
na
It's a business, a family
Now,
business.
now
No be
also
today.
another thing be say now we they carry power give
They
these
give these people.
No be
They're
lie.
not deserve
Most
those
of them
power.
are ignorant, illiterate,
Yes,
uneducated
so
people
they're not-
who
no.
cannot even get a regular
Now,
job.
if they decide say
But
no
they
dey
hide.
come your church that day, wetin you go do?
Ma I tell you this.
Say we no dey call your church again, madam. Say every
You-
pastor
Now,
who
now
you
they're
be.
not going to talk. Oh, those people when they poor.
That's what I'm telling you.
So-
They go
so,
dey there, they go
see,
sleep there, they go
I
run
want
for
break
floor.
something down for you.
Oh God,
I
help
want
me, help me.
break something
Send
down
me
for
my
you.
helper. Oh God,
Ma
oh
break
God, oh
something
God.
down
Now
for
they
you.
food there.
Most of the people, you see what they call these people? Merchant of hope. Nine are the call all of them.
Merchant of Hope
Merchant
United.
of hope.
Yes.
Nine be these
United
pastors.
Limited.
Now you go see pastor will get church for Ajambwadi or for Ajegule. You know say 80% or 90% of your congregation they're not now Okada that they use come.
They never get money.
They not even get money.
They
Now
not
Okada
get
they
job.
enter. Now you go stand up on top for people
Yes,
they
nah.
say
You will make
Rashidi I see Okada accident. Why you not go see Okada accident? 80% or 90%
No,
of Okada
yes.
then they use.
Yes.
If you want to avert the accident, it's
Come
only one
and sow
person.
seed.
You know,
Come and sow a
it's only
seed.
for one person.
Yes.
Before
If you
come
know
out.
that person is you,
Before you know
bring
it happen, everybody don't begin
1,000 naira, 1,000 come out. Say, play who they be like conductor when they come for. Agege, Odelegba Agege, 1,000, 1,000 go pass. Then bring 500, 500 go pass. Now so.
Yeah, now that one the country rapper.
And then if you question them, then go tell you, thou shalt not that doom are not prophet.
Touch not my
Touch not my anointed.
my prophet no
They
harm.
touch your daughter.
Yes,
Hey,
so.
are you
Anointed, they touch your
my
wife.
brother? They touch your wife for vestry.
But we need to also find out the reason why things like this they very common for Nigeria.
Is because
Of
we
poverty
are-
rate.
see, because of poverty
Poverty
and
rate.
because our mind they closed.
Thank you.
Now you go tell person talk say, look, you are God on your own self. You
They
feel
not
get
dey believe,
anything
no.
where you feel
No,
get
they not
on
dey.
your own.
I don't know
They
when
not
I
dey
hear
believe.
me call this our colleague Bibi. Now wait till I tell her this boy be this. I say you don't
They
need
not
you
dey
don't
believe.
You
another
don't need
man
anybody.
to help you
No.
talk
Now,
to God.
no.
You don't need any people.
That is the power we have given few individuals in the country
The
when make them
bigger-
feel like say
The biggest economy for this world, not be China.
Nuh-uh.
Now then they go church. They not they go church.
No, nah.
they even measure China, even Japan self.
Japan, do you understand
Nah,
what
there.
I'm saying?
Most
Not
of
them.
the electrical appliances when God those now then they run now.
Do you know the funny part? Our pastors waiting for this Nigeria.
They know.
If 90% of them come up from Nigeria, they not go see work again. No. You know
I say most of them when go that side now something work now they do cleaner work.
You go there, go tell them say, I
Yes,
see
sir.
your car coming. Baba,
Say
I
car
can-
don't
Come
come
on,
in
work
since.
on.
I
God
just
dey.
say the mistake wey the woman do now to the
Say
cost
God.
the cost wey she dey put on top them.
Say
Normally,
God punish
She
them.
get
Let
see.
the
Ma tell you why she get
members
right.
decide
Ma tell you why
themselves.
she get right to do that course. See, it get what they say. The serpent say, it get how God will take it. If how Bible take to that thing. If the serpent will strike, whatever. I know how they talk. You don't carry your power
Power give
already.
already.
Give her. So whatever she says, it go follow
go
you.
follow you.
It be like person, girl, man
Blessing
waste,
follow you.
man waste sleep with girl. You not give am money. He go. R&B, you know what they talk.
Yeah,
Man sleep with sleep.
I
I don't know.
Man wey sleep with girl, man wey sleep with girl wey not give her money. If that girl go vex for you, curse you because of that sleep with her, he go
Yeah,
catch you.
Edo people go tell you say na no.
No. Hold on, he go catch you spiritually. He go catch you. But
Yeah.
if you sleep with that girl, carry money, give that girl any cost wey shall I make cost for that tomorrow.
No.
Because
You don't collect
you don't
something
already
from her.
collect something.
There was an exchange.
There was an exchange. So then don't exchange their brain,
Give
their
you.
power, give that woman anything where she talk go catch them. She's even right because now then carry power, give her. You go say you are stupid, you are an idiot, you are a pant. Yes.
You know your what she talk, and you people run to my office, come for me prayer.
Meanwhile, you
go
so
where-
wait
where-
for you.
What do you be pastor for? Well, how are you pastoring your congregation?
I beg you.
So then now
But
you
you
can't
don't
get the
say
no. My
most-
own be say the full chest of to go meet your congregation members. Say you are demanding make them do this thing. Not be say, oh, let's sow a seed and be the orphanage.
See,
you are saying you want to do birthday.
But you know, say most of these pastors, them now only one job they get.
Which is that job?
Pastorate. How they speak the English. Now the pastor work. Most of them don't get any other job.
Because they see shepherd.
You understand?
They see shepherd.
And Nigerians know they read. If I come here, Jordan, they ask Una say how many children Adam and Eve get. Everybody say 2. But I'm telling you that Adam and Eve had 53 children. But you don't know. Now 53 children Adam and Eve get. You don't know.
Some people go argue this
because Una know they read.
Say, why?
The Bible not read.
How many books the Bible? 120 something books in the Bible. And then come out only 66 can he give you. Open Math, 2 Timothy 3:16 talk say.
Tell you say how you take no now say that only season 6 they take put inside there.
Oh.
Who they write the Bible self that time?
You understand?
People don't drink wine, sit down there, carry themselves as God, as
sit down, begin right now.
You know, say the Bible don't they
watch period pieces
over 1,000.
Can I even shock you? Can I even shock you? Can I shock you? Can I shock you? Can I shock you? Make I shock you. May I shock you? You know, say before Christianity, 15 other religions don't they? Where be the only religion before Christianity? 15. Christianity is the 16th religion. So and guess what? In all those 15 religions, according to her, one person come die. Once you die, you go somewhere. All of them are the same story.
Now the same story. Even with the one when still they very conversant with us, right? And I see the same story.
If I open my mouth, you say Eve not be the first woman, you're not gonna believe me.
No, the other woman they did.
When they tell you say somebody go share say in the beginning.
Eve not be the first woman.
But now, what I tell you, say some people they close. This the way they talk.
So they don't know. That's why it's easy for pastor to use your brain because you know they read. You know they read outside waiting. They give you.
Be time to read. They also outside.
And
they will call me Antichrist.
They do. You know what I also don't realize? Some of all these pastors, they are even they exposed. But because they want to make a fortune out of the gullible people, they don't go tell them the truth.
You know, say
they
one
will continue
You
to.
get one church. You get one church.
No. Not mention name.
I go talk. You get one church. You get one church where young people they go. Eh?
Young people between.
They do not mention name.
Say
they do not mention name.
I gonna walk.
If they do not clap fire, there's nothing to stop them.
You get one church where they for
yes
for island here.
Don't live on like that.
Nah, I go live on like that.
Live on beg.
Young people they go to church. A lot of young people.
Nah,
ayo kind of church. The pastor they preach, in wife they preach.
Oh, I understand. Maybe you want to form a zero.
The same thing.
Anything you say, I agree.
I know it.
The same thing.
I know
plenty
her.
churches for island here. There are pastors. Plenty churches like that. Plenty churches.
Now,
wait.
You say as the pastor they on altar, the wife too they on altar.
No.
They take session.
They take this one go take it because almost every church they happen like that.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying?
It's a community family something.
This man, in my guy, they go to church. The babes way my guy they try check for the church. We not agree for my guy. Now pastor 9 they wipe them.
Okay, if they wipe them, they do
and guess what?
pastoral activities.
All of una way they for here and know the pastor.
Yes.
It is well.
It is well with my soul. With my soul. Oh, it is well. It is well with my.
They do more call they go out there before we talk with
you.
him.
Not go anywhere. Hey.
Anyway,
this thing fits suppose done. Perhaps he could
our
maybe
backyard.
Enter podcast.
No. You see what you know one fight with religion.
You can't. You can't win. You can't win.
Don't be fighting they win.
Nobody.
See religion and politics.
Hold on.
Don't bother. Don't bother.
Hold on.
So I intentionally not call name.
It's not for winning.
Yes.
Some battles.
Choose your fight.
So hold on. Some
Choose
battles.
your fight.
You see this R1B bottle of water.
Yes.
Give me that bottle of water, please.
You go show for
Not a bottle of water.
It's like bottle of. It's like this. Some battles are like this.
What do you see here?
Shake and then you live. So
that's it.
But the way
so that may exposure happen.
Maybe they go game changer.
Becca, you dey always do something.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.